Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. One of my technician asked me in the comment section of my video, Father Joe, please show us how to do micro soldering, especially folding the wire. Today's video, I will show you guys how to do micro soldering. Very simple, especially folding the wire. My dear technician, this is a very simple something anybody can do. Anyway, I did not have it in mind of posting this kind of video. I think that a lot of people know how to do it, so I don't find any need of doing. But anyway, let me just show you guys a simple method I normally use to fix this kind of issue without time wasted. Let me start the video. My dear technician, welcome back. Like I said before, I just want to show you guys how to do the folding. I think that is the only difficult part. Okay, any other one is easy. Anybody can just try it out and then fix it. Okay, before you start doing this, you need tools. Okay, it's very important. The first tools that you need is microscope, can be a magnifier glass, can be a camera, can be your phone camera, can be anything at all that will magnify it. I mean, that will zoom the PCB very well for you to see all these solder parts. Okay, it's very important. You need a microscope, number one. Number two, you need tweezers. So I'm using tweezers to do this. You need tweezers. If you don't have tweezers, you'll find it very hard to fix this kind of issue. So without tweezers, it will not work. You need tweezers. Number three, you need CPU jumper wires. The CPU jumper wire is very important. Check this out. So this is the CPU jumper wire that I'm using. So you need CPU jumper wire. Number four, you need a scraper knife so that you can use it to cut the wire. Okay, you saw when I cut it. Don't worry, I will show you how to do it. So without time wasted, let me start showing you how to fold the wire. So let me start the video. My dear technician, like I said before, I just want to show you guys how to fold the wire. This PCB is still working. I mean, this panel, this motherboard is still working. Nothing is wrong with it. So just want to show you guys how to fold the wire. So right now I want to connect the wire. So check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to do a full video showing you how to fix a ripped up part from the very beginning till the end, I mean a complete video, okay, I'll use a PCB that the parts remove, all those solder parts will remove. So I'll use it to show you guys how to fix it. If you want it, you can let me know in the comment section. I will take my time to do the video. Okay, at the technician, the first thing is making the wire straight. Check this out. I make the wire straight. So that is the first thing. Check this out. The second thing is for you to get ready to start the work. The third thing is for you to start bending. You can see, use your right hand to fold it, while you use your left hand to press or to control the movement of the wire. Check this out. You can see I'm folding, I'm folding, I'm folding. Just take your time to do this. At the technician, this thing that you're seeing very big on my phone screen here is very small, like it's micro, it's tiny. My dear technician, is tiny. So if you try and you fail, don't worry, keep trying. Okay, my dear technician, I just apply chemical now. Check this out. Very clean, very clean. My dear technician, I want you to do this. Okay, check this out. Very clean. Get your tools ready. Okay, I will do it again. Get your tools ready. I will do it again. So I'll find another place and do it again. Check this out. So let me do it again. First of all, I connect this. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to cut it. So use your scraper knife. Make sure you cut it. Take your time to do it. Check this out. I want to cut it now. 1, 2, ready and go. Check this out. So after cutting, the next thing is folding. So I will still do it again. Like I said, I'm sure that you are with your tools. Okay, I told you guys to keep your tools ready for it. So first of all, use the tweezer on your right hand side to fold. Okay, while you're using the tweezer on your left hand side to hold it, keep doing, keep folding. Be very careful. Take your time to do it. Just keep folding. Take your time to do it. Keep learning. Check the way I'm doing my own. I want you to do the exactly same thing and get the exactly same result. My dear technician, let me know in the comment section if this video have solved your problem. I mean, if this video have helped you, let me know in the comment section, okay? Or if you want me to do a full video about this, I will do a full video, okay? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any other thing, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So check this out. It's very simple. You can do it. I'm sure you can do it now. Okay, just do practical time with that number so that you'll be able to do this. I want you to master this. I want you to do this. It's as simple as ABC. Okay, before I go, let me do another one again because I want you to really understand this thing. Let me do it again, please. So let me do it again. Check this out. So it's still the same process. It's still the same thing. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, make sure you cut it. Okay, cut it. Check the length before you cut. Take your time to do it. Okay, check this out. You can see I cut it very well, very clean without giving the PCB any wound. My dear technician, is still the same process. So check this out. Use the tweezer on your left hand side to hold it, while you use the tweezer on your right hand side to fold it. Okay, check this out. I'm folding. Check this out. I want you to do the same thing and get the exactly same result. Check this out. I'm folding. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. So after this, you need a UV curing mask and UV curing lamp. So if you don't have it, please try and get it. It's important. Try and get it so that you use it to fix errors like this. So thank you and bye for now. I love you all.